Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that what is syntax in computer programming. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you are new in computer programming or you want to learn about it in detail. So let's start, friend. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well, so that my new videos can reach to you. And also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, basically what is syntax? Syntax refers to the rules that define the structure of a language. Syntax in computer programming means the rules that control the structure of the symbols, punctuation, and words of a programming language. Let me give you an example here. For example, in English, there is some syntax which needs to be followed. In Hindi or Urdu, there is some specific syntax like punctuation, full stop, semicolon, etc. So these are the rules of every language. Similarly, in computer language as well, there is some syntax which needs to be followed. If the syntax of the language is not followed, the code will not be understood by a compiler or interpreter. Now, what is compiler? Compiler converts the programming language like Java, C++ into binary code that computers can understand. If the syntax is incorrect, the code will not compile. Interpreters execute programming language such as JavaScript or Python at runtime. The incorrect syntax will cause the code to fail actually. That's why it is crucial that a programmer pays close attention to a language syntax. No programmer likes to get a syntax error. Now, let me give an example here of the C language code. Okay, first is the hash include. Hash include means that the compiler will ignore this line. Normally every program of C start with hash include and compiler ignore this line. Then every program of C start with a main function, okay, and then this the open curly bracket. Then this /* print function to display my first line of code just printed here, and then the star and the then the close slash, okay, / and this one is also /. So that means basically it is a line of a comment. Compiler, once you start with a line with the / then a star and then end it with the star with a /, so compiler will understand that it is a line of comment and it does not needs to be compiled or not, it doesn't need to convert into a binary. Then printf is a line which means it's a command, basically is an instruction. That means you compiler needs to print that particular line on the console, and whatever written in the, then it will start with the open bracket, okay, this open bracket, then the double quotation, my first line of code, then double quotation, then open, then close the bracket, and then semicolon. So this is the syntax here. Now remember, if I don't put the semicolon here, you will get the error of syntax. Compiler will show you that there is a syntax error. Similarly, if I don't put this close bracket here, it will again show you syntax error. If I don't put the double quotation here, again it is a error. The next is the printf, double quote, open bracket, double quotation, just printed, and then double quotation, close the bracket and semicolon, and then close the curly brackets. So basically this is the syntax. Similarly, friend, if I don't put the close bracket here, curly bracket, again you will see the error of syntax. If I don't put the semicolon here, syntax error. If I don't use the double quotation here, syntax error. If I don't put these two bracket here, syntax error. If I don't close the star with the / here, again you will see the error. So basically, friend, whatever the instruction you are going to place, you are going to give to the compiler, you must have to follow the syntax. Okay, so syntax means if you want to print a command, you must use the printf command, and then open the bracket, double quotation, text, then double quotation, close the bracket, and semicolon. So this is the syntax which you needs to be followed. Okay, Now friends, syntax basically improve the code readability. It ensures that the coding are maintained, like communication, code integration, consistency and clarity. The concept behind conventions is to make the code explain itself. If the code is self-explanatory, the focus can be on design and program improvements and not on what does this mean actually. Okay friend, so friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video.